3, 2, 1.
In Season 3 of the OZ, we are introduced to a new character who Ryan starts dating. What is her name? The answer is D, Sadie. When light transfers its energy to objects, this is known as what? The answer is B, absorption. What food is often eaten with a fork and a spoon, as it includes both solid and liquid elements? The answer is B, burger. Which 1995 movie is this audio clip from? The answer is D, The Usual Suspects. What was the purpose of the horns and plates that adorn some dinosaurs? The answer is D, protection and mating displays. Which river forms the boundary between Turkey and Syria? The answer is A, Tigris. I'm the guardian of gates and bridges. Who am I? The answer is B, Minotaur. In which Shakespeare play does the title character say the famous line, "A man may fish with the worm that hath eat of a king, and eat of the fish that hath fed of that worm"? The answer is A, Hamlet. What is the human body's main detoxifier? The answer is A, liver. What year did the hit television show The Fresh Prince of Bel-Air leave the airwaves? The answer is D, 1996. What is the subject of study of thanatology, personified in Greek mythology by Thanatos? The answer is D, death. Which genre does K-pop mainly belong to? The answer is C, pop. What is the tool used to measure the distance in golf called? The answer is D, rangefinder. How many pieces of bun are in a McDonald's Big Mac? The answer is A, 3. Who is the only person to win gold medals in both Summer and Winter Olympics? The answer is D, Jesse Owens. What basic plant structure facilitates dispersal of pollen and fruit by raising reproductive structures? The answer is B, stem. Which ocean is located between Africa, Antarctica, and Australia? The answer is C, Arctic. While the egg is developing, other changes are taking place in the uterus. It develops a thick lining that is full of what? The answer is B, tiny blood vessels. What is Cy Keeping's hair length record? The answer is C, 24 meters and 44 centimeters. Which animated series features characters living in South Park? The answer is A. South Park. As part of a study, a scientist observed a number of different molecular changes in matter. Which of the following observations provides evidence of a physical change? The answer is D. A bottle that was broken into many small pieces. What is commonly known as the Emerald City in the United States? The answer is B. Seattle, WA. Ions are formed when atoms gain or lose what? The answer is B. Electrons. Taking all 13 tricks in a game of bridge is referred to as what? The answer is C. Grand Slam. What is the metal piece on the bottom of a chair leg called? The answer is C. Glide. What instrument does Dave Grohl play primarily in Foo Fighters? The answer is B. Guitar. Camouflage is when an organism does what? The answer is A. Reconfigure appearance to blend in. Which vegetable can be pink, purple, red, or white? The answer is C. Beetroot. In what novel by Dick Francis does the popular character Sid Helly first appear? The answer is D. Odds Against. What does the jitter counter detect?
The answer is B. Radiation.
How many days does it take Venus to rotate once? The answer is A. 243.02. What term is used to describe major changes in the genetic material? The answer is A. Chromosomal alterations. What was the name of the team's power hitter in the Bad News Bears who used to ride a motorcycle? The answer is C. Kelly. What is the chemical symbol for iron? The answer is A. Fe. Which accessory was invented by Samuel Betham in the early 19th century? The answer is C. Cufflinks. What is the name of the girl's whitelighter whom Piper marries in Season 3 of the TV show Charmed? The answer is D. Leo Wyatt. What was the name of Steve Allen's music company? The answer is A. Medley Music. Which mountain range contains Mount Kilimanjaro? The answer is A. Andes. Which gas is used in MRI machines to make images clearer? The answer is B. Helium. What piece of furniture is often used for displaying items in a living room or office? The answer is A. Bookcase. What type of dress has an empire waistline? The answer is D. Empire. Which footballer has won the most Ballon d'Or awards? The answer is C. Johan Cruyff. Which of these words means having an insatiable appetite? The answer is A. Voracious. Where does Brooke want Gary to take her on the movie The Breakup? The answer is D. Ballet. What tissue system has neither dermal nor vascular tissues? The answer is C. Ground tissue system. Which tool is used for peeling potatoes? The answer is A. Knife. What accident turns Jack Nicholson's character into a werewolf in the 1994 horror movie Wolf? The answer is A. He is bitten by a wolf. Which fruit is known as love apple? The answer is B. Tomato. Which of these is the name of a small California town? The answer is A. Weed. What food is traditionally eaten on Halloween, shaped like a jack-o'-lantern?